Yo, what's up? So in today's video, I'm going to be installing a Milltek 2.5-inch catback system on my 2002 Volkswagen Golf 337. I did recently just put a 3-inch turbo back exhaust on it with a resonator and muffler and no cat. It was an eBay exhaust, but I didn't really like how it sounded, so I'm installing a real catback system. So hopefully it sounds better than it did before. I'll toss in some sound clips after this. But I had to get a 3-inch to 2.5-inch reducer pipe made up because I'm keeping the 3-inch downpipe and I'm going to 2.5-inch to reduce down so I can actually run the catback system. So something I had to get made up, but other than that, everything should be just bolt in and throw it right in. But anyways, I'll show you guys what the exhaust looks like. I showed it in one of my other videos, but I'll go over again. So we got the muffler, resonator, and then the jump over pipe towards the rear. It's got a 4-inch tip on it. Super nice, looks super good. Thing here, it says Milltek on the top of it. Kind of hard to see, but that's it. And then get your resonator, like I said, a jump over piece, and then this is that adapter piece I had to get made up. So Milltek sent a adapter. This pipe that's in here came with it. This I had to buy, and this was a 3-inch to 2.5. Well, this 2.5-inch butted up perfect with this. It wouldn't slide in, so I had to have a buddy of mine TIG weld this piece of pipe in so it would slide into there so I can clamp it down and use it. But yeah, so anyways, we'll get to throwing the exhaust in and getting to the good stuff. Alright, so just got done putting the 2.5-inch Milltek exhaust on. Recorded a couple sound clips which I'll throw in after this. As you guys will see, it is definitely a lot quieter than the exhaust that was on it before, but that's because it was an eBay exhaust and it was super cheap. So I kind of just took a gamble. I was like, it's only 150 bucks, so I'll try it out and see. If I lose 150 bucks, whatever. But in my opinion, I made out because I got a 3-inch downpipe for technically 150 bucks, and then I just bought a reducer and then got the Milltek. So really it all worked out. It was less than buying like a high flow catalytic converter or a name brand downpipe. So I'm not complaining, but you guys will see that how much quieter it is here in a second once I swap over. The other exhaust, I'll show you. This one, give it a look. You go and tap on it. There's literally nothing in it. So that's why it sounded like garbage before. So same with the resonator. There's absolutely nothing in it. It's just a bigger pipe. So yeah, so that's why it didn't sound that great, where the Milltek actually has a muffler built into it, and it also has a real resonator, so definitely toned it down a lot more and doesn't have the rasp that I hated. So overall, I'm stoked. I'll put in the sound clips after this, but cap off the video here. So as always, leave a like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.